This is a quick introduction on how to use the ServerFlow app designer on the web dashboard. Before you start building your app, go into the Servers tab, look for the server you're building your app for, and right-click it. Select this server as your test server. After doing so, a little test icon should appear next to the server's name. This makes it much easier to tailor your app for your server. Now to get into building. First, head to the app designer by selecting it in the left-hand sidebar. In the center, you'll see the building area. This is where you design the inner workings of your app. To start building, you usually start with the trigger component that you select from the list on the left. You can either drag a node out of the list or just click on a component and it'll appear in the center. If a component doesn't land where you want it to, you can just drag it to the correct spot. Clicking on one of the components in the building area, you'll be able to configure it. This is essential for the functionality of your app. Since you, ideally, have a test server selected, the channels, users, and other details of said server will appear when configuring components. Many components will offer the ability to use variables to make your app as versatile as possible. Variables are used to dynamically change the output of an app depending on the situation. For example, a user triggered a command. The app detects this through the component when a command is used. This counts as a successful interaction. The success message is triggered, which includes a variable for it to mention the user that used the command. Any component that sends a message or modal offer a preview of what the final look will be in Discord just by hovering over the relating components in the builder. This preview can be toggled in the top left. Other components, especially those in the control category, can be configured to provide different outcomes. You can customize those rules to your liking and incorporate variables into them. The code view allows you to see the code within any component and edit it in real time if you see fit. Saving the app works via the top right. Just finish up the configuration after clicking the Save App button, and you'll be able to install your app by going into the server list, right-clicking the server you want the app in, and selecting View Installed Bots. This brings you to the Integrations tab, where you can go down to the Custom Apps section and add your app through the Add Custom Apps button. For any questions or issues, you can also ask Floaty on your Discord server. He knows all about this. Alternatively, you can join our support server and consult members of staff.